Hi, my name is Jean and welcome to my channel on how to launch your first online training business. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you some cool updates to Descript's content creation and AI video editing tool. If you have not already checked out my playlist on how to use Descript for all your content and course creation needs, you can check out my playlist up here. One of the exciting changes I want to talk about in Descript is the teleprompter feature. So a lot of people will say, I don't know how to memorize scripts. A lot of people will say I'm new to recording voiceovers and I sound nervous. And well, that's the beauty of having a teleprompter. There's no need to memorize. Just load up the teleprompter and let the words on the screen show you what you need to say in this course lesson or in your video or in your social media posts. It is very effective and it's very easy to use. You can use it either using the web recorder or you can use it in the Descript desktop app. Either way, whichever you choose, both are really accessible and it's very effective. Let's take a quick look in this tutorial on how you can leverage this teleprompter for all your course creation and training content needs. So now let's just take a look at how you can use the teleprompter when you're using the web application. One of the advantages of this is that it's really simple once you have your voiceover script. All you have to do is just copy and paste it, and then it'll go right into this script layer here. The first step I need to do is look for this teleprompter icon. You'll see that once I hover over it, the word teleprompter shows up. So I will click on this teleprompter and I will put my script in here. I can paste it, I can type it, or I can import it. For this demo, I'm just going to put in some simple text just so you can see how it works. I'm excited to show you how the teleprompter feature works. Oops, I spelled it wrong. But okay, so let's just use something simple and I can customize it. I can make the teleprompter smaller or I can make it bigger. The key thing is when you're using a teleprompter is to let it guide you, but don't feel like you need to look at the screen and stare at the screen intently. You want to make eye contact, even though you could still use the AI eye contact adjustment in Descript. It still feels a little bit more natural to be looking at the camera so that you're not always feeling like you're one eye on the camera and one eye on your teleprompter. Just keep your eye on the teleprompter and then I can move it up here so that it's visually at eye level for me. And then I'll adjust the size of the text and I can change the background so that it's white or black. I personally prefer black, but it really depends on what mode you're recording on. Maybe you're recording in daylight, whether you're recording at night, different time zones, however works for you. And then once you're ready to use the teleprompter, I'm going to click play. And you can see that it is loading so that it shows you the words, and I can actually adjust the speed. If I want it to go faster, I can go slower. Really depends on how fast you read, but also just your pacing and your tone and your style. So that's a quick overview of how you can leverage the teleprompter. You can paste, you can type, you can import. Just have fun with it and use it to help you record voiceovers or record content so that you never have to memorize script, but you have a teleprompter as your backup. And then you can use AI eye contact inside Descript to fix any eye contact issues in case it looks like you're looking too much at your teleprompter and not too instead of at the camera. Let me know if you have questions, comments, and feedback. And I am a Descript affiliate, so if you'd like to support my channel, feel free to use the link in the description below and support my channel. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see, what more you'd like to learn about launching your first online training business. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon.